Hey everyone, today is August 6th, 2017, and the video today it's for the pi method example for Arizona. If you're not in Arizona or in Arkansas, those two videos, or Arkansas I've already done, then Arizona I'm doing right now. So if you're not in those states, I am not doing any of the calculations for other states right now. The next state I'm going to be working on is Wisconsin, and then after that's done, I'll be doing West Virginia and then Washington, and then I'll move back to the C states. So that should be in the next month or so. And then from there, so this video, if you didn't see my Arkansas example video, the pi method is what I'm using. The only exception to that is I'm also using 159, because pi is 314, and then 159 is after the 314 in pi. It's just something that I like to do. So just to start on the video, because I have a lot to show and I don't want my phone to cut off in the middle. So, alright, so basically also for Arizona, they did not need any adjustments like the Arkansas video. And their numbers are coming from Saturdays. If you're not in Arkansas or Arizona, you will need to test the numbers first with different weekdays, so like Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday, stuff like that, to finally get one that'll work. And then you'll need to test it, the next week and the following week, etc. So in this example, I was using Saturdays, and they all worked for Saturdays, so that's how I knew, oh, this method will work then. Alright, so the first number that I was working on was from July 1st of 2017. The number that fell on that day was 891. So I took 891 plus 314. 4 plus 1 is 5. 9 plus 1 is 0. 8 plus 3 is 1. So that gave you 105. And then I subtracted off 314. So that's 7. So just using lotto math, 11 minus 4 is 7, and then 9 minus 1 is 8, and then 8 minus 3 is 5. So 587. From there, it gave you 105 plus 159, which is 254, and then you have 105 minus 159. So 15 minus 9 is 6. You got 10 minus 5 equals 5, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. Oh, one thing I did forget to mention, if you're a beginner, this video is probably not for you because it's probably not going to make a lot of sense. So just so you know if you're a beginner and still watching. Okay, so next one is 587 minus, plus 159. Which is 636, and you got 587 from up here. And then 587 minus 159, which is 438. So far, just double checking the numbers, there was no numbers that had hit yet. The next one is, so you mirror the number that hit, so that was 891. So that was 346 plus 314, which gives you 6 plus 4, which is 10, but we only add the second digit, so that's 0. You got 4 plus 1, which is 5, and then 3 plus 3, which is 6, which is 650. You also have 346 minus 314, which is 032. And then you have 650, which you got from up here. And then that's plus 159, which is 709. And then you also have 650 minus 159, which is, 10 minus 1 is 1, 5 minus 5 is 0, and then 6 minus 1 is 5. And then you take 032, which you got from up here on that second number up there, plus 159, which is 181. So 12 minus, or no, not minus, 12 plus 9, there we go. 2 plus 9 is 11, so that gave you 1. 3 plus 5 is 8, and then 0 plus 1 is 1. And then you have also 032, so you take minus 159. 12 minus 3 is 13, so that's 3. You got 13 minus 5, which is 8, and then 10 minus 1, which is 9. So out of all of those numbers, for that date, the only one that hit was the mirror number. So that 346 right there, which is kind of interesting. So you would just move on from that. So okay, so the next Saturday, 178 hit, so you just do, from here, guys, I'm not going to go through all of the examples I just went through, because I just don't have the time space for it. So I'm just showing you guys from here just the combinations that hit and what calculations I used to do that. So on July 8th, you had 178, and then 178, you add in, so disregard the 178 for right now. If you look on the right hand side, you use 482 minus 314, which is 178, just using the lotto math, and then you do 178 plus 159, which gives you 227, and then that was a straight hit on July 10th. If you move on to the next Saturday, you had July 15th, 2017, and then on that one, the number that hit was 773 plus 314, which is 087, and then you take 087 plus 159, which gave you 136, and that turned into a box hit for 361 on July 17th. And then on the next week, on Saturday, that was July 22nd, 2017, you take the 363 that hit, and then that mirrored out to 818. Then 818 minus 314 was 504, and then he had a box hit 054 on July 26th. The next Saturday, you had July 29th, 2017. You mirrored out the 426 to 971. 971 minus 314 was 667. And then you have 667 minus 159, which equaled out to 518. And then 185 was a box hit. And I don't remember the date, but it was within that week. And then July 26, 2017 was the date. All right, and then, so from there, I know that was kind of quick, guys. So if you're in Arizona, I will go ahead and keep these notes. If you need me to run through the example, one of the examples again, let me know. And then again, if you're not in Arkansas or Arizona, I won't be doing calculations for other states. Okay, so from all of that, the potential numbers that I saw for the next 7 days for Arizona are 952, if you mirror that out. So 952 is the number that hit yesterday on Saturday. So that number, that 952, you would mirror out to 407. So that's a potential number. The next one, you would do 952 and then mirror that out to 407. and then you take that 407 minus 314, and that gives you 193. So that's another potential number. And then from there, you would take 193 plus 159, which equals out to 242. So that's another potential number. The next one, you would do 952 plus 314, which equals out to 266. The other one was 925 mirrored out to 407. You're going to subtract off 314, which is 193, and then 193 minus 159, which equaled out to 044. So just to summarize that, so the next 7 days, I would expect, or not expect, it's not the right word. You have potential numbers of 044, 266, 242, 193, and 407. So that's pretty much it. And again, I'll be working on the travel numbers probably Wednesday or Thursday. And then after that, I'm probably going to work on the W states. So the next one will be Wisconsin. And then I'm not sure if it'll be ready by next Sunday, but if so, I'll post it. It may take between a week to a month, just depending on if I have time to work on it or not. And then after that, it would be West Virginia and then Washington, and again, I'll move on to the C states after that. I did have a request from Canada to start including Canada on these videos. I had requested a URL from you guys. I've not received one yet, so you have a little while to send it over, but once I have that, I will start working on including Canada moving forward also. So make sure you do include that and send it in the comments if you're in Canada and see this. Alright, so that's pretty much it.